Everyone, this is Hugo, aka Unforeseeable 2.0, and welcome to another episode of Science Time. Hope you all had a good Thanksgiving and a great Black Friday. I know it's been a while, but hey, I'm pretty sure I missed you guys too. Anyway, today I'm going to be talking about hydrogen reactions. So you must have saw Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade on TV, or the actual parade if you went to New York. But you must have saw a lot of great balloons, and how do they float? Simple, helium. But I can make this kind of balloon float with a different kind of chemical, hydrogen, like the stuff in water. So over here are two different sized balls with the same amount of hair clogged drain cleaner. It has something called sodium hydroxide, which is going to go help when I mix it with this, a piece of aluminum foil, the cheap stuff. So I'm just going to place it one in every little. Okay. Put it down. Like this. So this is gonna be very so to see what happens if we put it in a tall glass. What happens if we put it in a tall glass versus a small glass? And in order for it to really work, we need some balloons. Alright, if you're doing this at home, make sure there's an adult with you. Okay, so to really mix it, I'm gonna just shake it up a little bit, hopefully not too much, so it doesn't touch the balloon. Like this, get a little bubble action. Yeah, this may take a while, but I'll see you after the break. Hey everybody, welcome back to Science Time. It's been 5 hours, and here's what the balloon looks like now. So, it's been all blown up. Unfortunately, this one didn't make it. But, this one got much better. Even though it's not bigger, better than that one. But how so? Well, it's because of a chemical reaction. When the aluminum in the foil mixed with the drain cleaner, which is made of sodium and hydrogen peroxide, they create a chemical reaction which produces hydrogen gas that rises up like carbon dioxide and fills up in a balloon. Hydrogen is really, really light, but it's only light out if put in a certain amount, like in this balloon. But this balloon would be able to float if there was more hydrogen placed in it. But even though hydrogen is lighter, the lightest element of all the elements of the periodic table, it is very flammable. So what I'm going to go do is that I'm going to go create a mini explosion by lighting it with this lighter. Before I begin, I say that the hydrogen inside the balloon mixed with the oxygen and burned with this lighter is going to do something pretty incredible. Why not?
No, you didn't.
See? because of that little explosion, is right over there, mixed with the hydrogen inside that balloon and the oxygen, I created a little bit of water. Now, if you ever saw the movie The Martian, good movie and good book, then you'll know that Mark Watney, in order to go grow his crops, he had to make water by taking hydrogen and oxygen and burning it. Right here, I was basically doing the same thing with the hydrogen energy right here, with the oxygen mixed here, and burn it with this lighter. It creates a little explosion. Right from here, but still, somehow there could be a tiny